Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Yamaha MT-03 lightweight sport bike, twin cylinder, 320cc, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This one's got ABS brakes as well, only 3,700 miles. I love this paint scheme, really cool gray finish with the blue wheels, super low miles, perfect condition. Come on by and make your lightweight, naked sport bike dreams come true. This gorgeous MT-03 with ABS. Only $47.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.